Today in this video I would like to share how to control AC light bulb with proximity sensor, and we're going to use 12 volt relays, so we don't have to use any Arduino or Raspberry or any microcontroller in this project. So we're going to use a simple relay, and we're going to use proximity sensor, which is capacitive proximity sensor, and we're going to control 240 volt AC light bulb. So this is 240 volt light bulb. You can control either its motor or any AC appliance by this sensor using relay. So the first of all, I'm going to explain about this relay. So this relay has 8 terminal pins. This is the base and this is the relay. So this relay, the first of all you have to know about the relay coil. So the relay coil is 12 volt DC, so which is required to have 12 volt power supply, 12 volt DC to make it to turn on and off for this relay. So this relay has 8 pins, and here is transparent, so we can see the coil inside. So actually they already have the diagram on the body of the relay here. So pin number 13 to pin number 14, this is the coil which is required to have the 12 volt. Once you supply the 12 volt to this coil, then the relay will be on and off. So pin number 13 and pin number 14 is the coil, and here pin number 9 and pin number 12 is common in, and pin number 5 and pin number 8 is normally open, and pin number 1 and pin number 4 is normally closed. Step on the base here. So if you check in the base here, they will written the number on the relay base here, 14 and 13, which is the coil here. 12 and 9 is normally 12 and 9 is common, and 8 and 5 is normally open, and 4 and 1 is normally closed. Here is sensor. So I'm using proximity sensor, which is a capacitive proximity sensor. So capacitive proximity is mostly detect for the metal and any object. It will detect plastic as well, but the plastic types will be chosen. Not every plastic will detect. So sometimes this is a capacitive sensor that they will detect only, we can't say it's only the metal. Sometimes this will detect the plastic as well, the plastic or the paper as well. So you better check on the data sheet according to the part number. So this sensor has 3 wires. So the 3 wires here, brown is positive, blue is negative, and black is signal. So this sensor is NPN types and normally open 1 to 10 mm the sensor range. So 1 to 10 mm the sensor range is quite short. So this is the detection. So this sensor, the voltage supply will be here 6 to 36 volt. So between 6 to 36 volt you can operate to detect this sensor. So between 6 to 36 volt means the 12 volt is included. So once we have 12 volt power supply, this is a very perfect relay we choose, because this sensor can detect 12 volt and the relay coil is 12 volt. So we just have to have 12 volt power supply to make it on and off for this relay. So how we're going to wire for this relay is here. We put on the side first this lamp. So relay here. So we're going to make sure this wire brown is positive. So this is 12 volt power supply. I'm going to use connected this type here. So you must turn off your DC supply first. I already turned off the switch from here. So brown is positive, So brown wire is positive and blue wire is negative. Brown positive, blue negative, and the black wire we goes to relay pin number 14. So, and here we need to have another positive wire to pin number 14. So we have to loop to so now if we turn on our 12-volt power supply and we try to check our sensor, so we can hear the sound of the relay here. We can even see here, we can even see the contact here. We're going to control the light. This is 240 volt AC light. We're not going to wire yet first. So 240 volt wire. So one wire is neutral, live. So if we turn on the switch here, then the light is turning on. So we off back. So we turn it off again. And the live wire, we cut it here. You must make sure that you off your switch, because this is AC, so it's very dangerous. So from the live wire coming is connect to common pin number 9, and here pin number 5, connect to pin number 5. So now the wiring is complete. So let us turn on the switch here. So 12 volt is already on, 240 volt the light, but power is already on. Now let's check with our sensor. So output we just use for one light. This switch, this relay, you can use two output. So now we just use for this side. If you want to control another light, you just need to loop one more wire, live wire coming from here, the loop here, and output. So pin number 12 and pin number 8 you still can use to control one more light. So I hope this video will help for someone, those who are interested to do this kind of project.